So, what we're here to talk about today is the Tailgate and Go. Turning. Atta girl. I mashed my fingers off. You know, say hi. And we met the owners of this company, and we love the owners, we love the company, we love the idea, we love everything about it. And we knew from the first time we met them at the Moore Expo 2021. Shout out to Chris Holloway over at Moore. We met Taylor from Tailgate N Go. This product is awesome. It was on Shark Tank. We'll put a link in the description so you can go and watch their partial episode on that. But for now, I'm going to show you the basics of kind of what I know and what I love about it. Now, something I do want to tell you, everything that we use for cooking and then some is packed in this thing right now. So all your kitchen, all your crap, all your coffee, all your percolators, all your skillets, your sink. Now, usually the saying is everything but the kitchen sink. But the kitchen sink's in here too. But they make a bigger version of this. This is the Overlander. The Overlander fits perfectly on one of these cheap, cheesy tables from Walmart. If you don't want to put it on a table and you want to use it right out of your tailgate, they make optional swing out tailgate holders, something that plugs into your hitch receiver and then kind of swings out and you can pivot it that way. You could build a slider much like you do for your refrigerator. So, let me show you the daddy to this one. Okay, so this is the other Tailgate and Go box. And I'll be honest with you, I don't know the name of it because, well, I just don't know. What you're looking at here, boom, you got a cutting board right off the bat. You got all your crap back here. I don't know what you're gonna put there, but you can put some Little Debbie's in here and some chocolate chip cookies over here and marshmallows and candy in this one and pixie sticks up here. All your sweets, or whatever you want to put, but I don't really care. So, are you a fisherman? Because I'm not. Put your fish in that little sucker. And what's really cool is their patented design, guys. These things right here, these little brackets that they make, and they custom put them on all their products. They just snap right into the side, and boom, you're set up and ready to go. So, lay your big old brown trout on that sucker, snap the tail in it, and you start filleting all the garbage off, and then you got a nice, nasty fish dinner you can eat. Okay, let's go into this. I don't know who needs this many cutting boards. Oh, that's cool. I didn't even know that was there. So, you got all these cutting boards. I think the new thing is going to be you can show off how many cutting boards they have at camp. So let's get these. All I know, we're super excited about this thing. We're ready to test it out more. We've used it on one trip so far, and I think I loved it. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
I think I might work on some electronic stuff in here because that's kind of my forte. Maybe get some, you know, a little 12-volt battery in here with a light system or something like that. You can plug in and boom, you got a couple of telescoping lights that come out of this thing and shoot lasers. So, I see some crap like that happening in the future for us. I'm going to turn it over to Brandy and let her tell us about it since she does all the cooking, and I'll run that camera for a little while and drink my Red Bull. Okay?
The thing that I love the most about this is that it's so modular. So you can make it fit your needs exactly. So if you really love to fish, you can get the fishing board, which is an add-on. You can put that on there. If you know you're going to do a lot of grilling, you can get that. Whatever part you need, you can put on there. And it's not just modular for whatever you buy, but for moment to moment, you can fix it how you want it to be. You could use all these for counter space. So like if I'm up here and I'm cooking, and then I want Clara back here cutting something or washing the dishes, I can put this back here. And I really love how just all the pieces can fit together in different ways based on what you're doing. So if for breakfast you're cooking by yourself, you want everything close, and then you pull it all close. If later on in the day everybody's helping each other, then you can move things around how you need them at that time.
What's so great about this design, guys, is I don't know about you, but I do know about me, and I know about us, and our rig is set up for overlanding, right? And a lot of you guys may not have a rig that's specifically for overlanding all the time. And what makes this nice is if your overlanding rig is also your daily driver, and you need to drive, and you need to use that thing, you need to use your cargo space, you just take this one box out, boom, you set it in the garage, and you're done. So, typically you don't put all these cutting boards on here, but I was just kind of showing that. So, this does show how everything fits right in your box. So on the inside, your cutting boards slide right into these little brackets, like that, like a divider. I just wanted to show you this big box. You've got this thing here, I don't know, you can put some stuff in there, some silverware, spice racks, put some salmon in these. However, if you're here, you're probably here. Oh, this one has a paper towel holder on the bottom, which is a nice idea. So, boom, you've got a cutting board, paper towels right below it, so you can clean up your bloody fish mess. However, what we're here to talk about, because you're probably here because you're an overlander, is the Overland Edition. This is cool. Check their website out if you do need a bigger one. We'll put some dimensions in the description below, kind of talk about this one. But basically what you're getting with this is just a smaller version over there. So a little more space, you can cram a little more stuff in this. If you're not an overlander and you don't necessarily care about the camping stuff, the name kind of gives it away. I mean, what a big thought of it is, and that's Tailgate and Go. Tailgaters and sports events are a big thing. So, like, this is it. This is the way to do it. And you know, if you're a tailgater for sports events, you really are the type of person that you only use it once every once in a while, and it's something you need to throw in your garage. Perfect for tailgate barbecues. So, family events, tailgating events, whatever sport events, this is your guy. There's plenty of stuff here to prepare enough food for a ton of people. You just twist to unlock, lift the lid, and as you can see, we've got this one pretty well set up how we like it. We've got our forks, knives, our tongs, our crap, our what are these called? Spices, salts, peppers, all the garbage you're gonna need. So, ours has been outfitted with a sink. We love the sink. So this little sucker snaps on right over here. Okay, so then you've got your faucet. And the way that this faucet works, you got a prime bulb, and then you just drop the other end of this hose here down into a 5-gallon, whatever your water is. You don't even have to, we were doing it out of a 1-gallon jug. So this goes back here, goes into your 1-gallon jug, goes on there like that. You've got your faucet, your sink just pushes down to open like that. And then we take our paper towels with our cutting board and we lay that right in front. So then you've got kind of a drying board or a cutting board with your paper towels right at the front of your sink. Your sink's there where you can get to all that. Then we get our stove. And this is just one of those little butane burning stoves. It's got their patented design on the back. Snaps right in there, just like that. Now you've got a prepping area here with your cutting board or whatever you want to call it. You've got your stove here where you can cook on. But You may ask yourself why this spot's open. Well, we can put this here for now. But this spot is open, and we have a couple of different options. We're going to put some video in there now because we haven't got it. The shipping was delayed a little bit on that. But we have got a barbecue grill option that's going to snap on right over here, and you'll be able to grill right on your Tailgate and Go with a little gas bottle barbecue grill. And we are excited to get that. We were going to get their snap-in deal over here that put a, what was it, a griddle?
The Blackstone griddle?
A Blackstone griddle option. Snaps in over here. Barbecue grill is going to suit us. Okay, so back here you've got a magnet. Maybe you don't.
It's a magnet.
It's not?
It is, yeah. It's for like knives.
Okay, back here you've got the world's weakest magnet. I would recommend to you guys over there at Tailgate and Go to get one of the magnets that's for tools. But you do have a magnet in case you want to hold up a paper clip or something.
So another thing that I was going to say that I kind of already covered is that you have so many different work areas in one small space. So you don't have to set up 5 tables so that you can have all these people working on in the kitchen area. It's all just this one spot that manages so many different tasks. You're storing things, you're cooking things. You can have the board set up on the back and have like an assembly line, people getting their food, and it's all happening in this one area from this one unit that folds up together nicely, quickly. So that is one thing I love. The last thing that I love about this, you're going to be able to see right here on the back, is that little stamp here, made in USA. And I think the reason that this really hits home for us is when we were at Moore, we didn't just meet, you know, the CEO of the company or the people who worked there. We met the dad and the daughter who designed and built this because of a need they had. When they were camping, they found that they needed something to store and organize all their things, and so they designed this and built it from the ground up. And I think for us to have a company that is made in America, it's designed in America, the people from it are here, really taking pride in their work, adding all these little add-ins. Everything is so thought out, and every little part is made to pack in as much function as it can.
Above all, guys, we absolutely love it. We love the brand, we love the company, we love the people, we love the product. BPP, branding, people, product. We love it. We will do the same thing that we do on all of our products. We'll come back to it in 90 days. We'll tell you what we think after we've kind of put it through some testing and some use. See what we think, see how the paint holds up, see how the brackets hold up. Also, I don't know if we even said it, but these things come out of here. So if you don't need these storage devices in here that are these, and you just need one big open box, you got it. Throw all your crap in here and be as unorganized as you want. But regardless of any of that, we will come back to this product in 90 days. We'll tell you what we think in 90 days. And then just check out our episodes, guys. So these products are just a small portion of what we at Off-Road Recon do. These things kind of help show you guys the things that we think are cool that you can use at the times that we're using them. But primarily what we love doing and what we enjoy is going out and shooting these camping videos where we're using these things, we're putting them to the test, and we're just having a good time as a family, off-roading, overlanding, camping, whatever we're doing. Check those videos out, guys. They're absolutely fun to watch, and we love making them. And the only way we can continue making them is if you are watching them. So, if you haven't done so already, hit the like button on this video. It helps us a lot. Drop a comment below. That's super important. I can't tell you enough how important it is to comment on videos, people. Please do that. Instead of commenting on Facebook, we love to hear you on both, if you want to do both, but please comment on our YouTube channel. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to our channel. But not only subscribe, make sure you hit the little bell icon. That's the notifications, and that alerts you whenever one of our new episodes is out. Anyway, check their website out, tailgateandgo.com. It's super awesome. Get yours today. I don't have a discount code for you, but I might later. So take a look at the description below. See if there's a discount code in there. If there is, awesome. I hope it saves you some money. If there's not, then you're still getting an awesome product for a good price. And it's made in the US. Even though they put their weather stripping on a little bit crooked here. That's how you know it's US made. We'll see on the next one.
Oh, so close. We're a bear. Claire, come on in. We need some flashlights. Turn your flashlight on.
Yeah.
I don't have one. Yeah, we don't have some of the cheap ones.